All right, these are the questions for the story for Unit 6, Week 1 checkup, Little Turtle and the Coyote, based on the Hopi folktale. I want you to pay attention to the structure of your story. You can see the cast. Another word for cast is characters. They list the setting. And then we get to our story. Remember that if it is italicized or in parentheses, that is the action, what would be happening on the stage, what you would see, but not what you would hear. So keep that in mind. I'm not going to be reading the story to you today in preparation for state assessments, so you should have already done that. I want you to go ahead and look at question number 1. Remember to press pause, rewind, whatever you need to do to make sure you answer your questions the best that you can. Question 1. Which sentence states a theme of this play? The theme. A. Quick wits are the best defense. B. You get what you want if you ask nicely. C. Hiding from problems makes them worse. D. True friends are there when you need them. Question 2. Complete each sentence to show how Little Turtle handled different challenges in the play. Write the letter of the phrase from the list in the correct box. Okay, so this one's a little different. So listen to how you're going to complete this. You'll see on the left-hand side the word sentence, and underneath are sentences. The answer part is what would complete that sentence from below it. So you're going to be choosing one of these letters to put in each one of these spots. Based on the question, it says, complete each sentence to show how Little Turtle handled different challenges in the play. How did he handle each of these challenges? You'll write the letter from below the box in the correct spot under the word answer. Sentence, the first one. When Little Turtle was hungry and alone, he blank. So his challenge was he was hungry and alone. How did he handle that challenge? I'll go down and read each of those in a second. The second challenge is when Coyote first threatened to bite him, Little Turtle blank. What did he do? How did he handle that challenge? And the third one is when Coyote threatened to eat him, Little Turtle blank. What did he do to handle that challenge? Okay, let's look at each of our options. A, got Coyote to throw him into the river. B, waited for his friends to come back. C, swam into the deep water. D, taught Coyote a new song. E, went into his shell. F, cried very loudly. G, looked for food. So now you're going to go up, and you can't use any of them more than once. So you'll read the challenge again. A, B, C, D, E, F, or G in the first box. Do that again for the second one. A, B, C, D, E, F, or G. And the last one, A, B, C, D, E, F, or G. Press pause, go back, underline in your text. I want you to prove these. We discussed that at the beginning of the hour. Press pause, I'm going to move on. Question number 3. Which event causes the first challenge of the play? Which one of these is the first challenge of the play? A, the turtles left Little Turtle sleeping by himself. B, Coyote walked around a rock toward Little Turtle. C, Little Turtle told Coyote he was not singing. D, Coyote knocked on Little Turtle's shell. What was the first challenge of the play? 4. This question has 2 parts. You're going to do A and then B, but there is only one answer for each of them. Part A, what does the word delectable mean in line 2? Delectable. Easy to locate, covered with spines, enjoyable to eat, supporting good health. You have to go back to the text, find this word, reread the sentence, think about what delectable means. Again, we have a suffix on our word that we've been talking about. Mark the answer. Part B. Which phrase in the play gives a clue to the meaning in Part A? What was your evidence? What did you use to help you answer Part A? These are words straight from the text. Notice the quote marks. A, fine looking. B, beyond those rocks. C, at this season. Or D, terrific meal. Go back in the text, underline where you found your answer. How did you know? 5. How is little turtle, let me start over. How is little turtle different from coyote? A, he is hungry. He means little turtle. B, he is mean. C, he is talented. D, he is clever. Six, which word best describes how Coyote acts when he hears little turtle cry? When Coyote hears little turtle cry. A, protective. B, aggressive. C, scared. D, curious. How does Coyote act? Go back, check your answers, and you're done.